Alright, if you've been scrolling through Instagram or Facebook and stumbled on Clare and Kate London, you're probably wondering if their gorgeous clothes are too good to be true. Well, let's get real, because you deserve the whole truth before you hit that checkout button. First up, the website looks super professional. Think boutique vibes, soft pastel colors, and a sweet family-owned in London story. But here's the catch. Almost every independent review, from Trustpilot to Facebook groups, is waving red flags. Number 1. The origin story. Clare and Kate markets itself as a local London brand, but what's actually happening? Your order is drop-shipped straight from China. That means weeks of waiting, and what finally arrives often looks nothing like those dreamy product photos. We're talking cheap polyester instead of natural fibers, and sizing that's all over the place. Next, let's talk returns. If you're unhappy with your order, and honestly most people are, you'll be asked to ship it back to a warehouse in China. That return shipping can cost more than the clothes themselves, so most folks just give up and take the loss. Here's another shady move. Clare and Kate isn't alone. There's a whole network of nearly identical sites, Kate London, Clark London, Clara and Rose, all using the same last chance sale and heartwarming stories to reel you in. So, how do you protect yourself? If a brand's About Us page feels generic or too good to be true, trust your gut. Try a reverse image search on their product photos. You'll likely find the same items way cheaper on AliExpress or Temu. And if you've already bought something, contact your bank right away for a chargeback. Bottom line, I wouldn't risk it. The positive reviews on their own site? Likely fake. Everywhere else, customers are warning you to steer clear.